Gush, Happy New Year. And if you do not know me, then my name is Roman and I am a Jamaican YouTuber, polyglot teacher, currently residing in France. Okay, great. First of all, I would like to thank you guys for having supported me over these past 2 years. I can't believe it has been 2 years already. Maybe even more, I believe. I started in 2019 at the end of the year. But wow, we're entering a new year, and I would really, really like to thank you all for having supported me. There are some persons who you've supported me by leaving comments, liking, watching faithfully. Some persons message me. There are various forms in which people have supported me. And some persons support me and they never say a word to me, and that is quite all right. It is thanks to you that I am where I am today. And just very quickly, thanks to you guys, I have landed maybe 2 deals with 2 brands. Thank you guys so much. I have got so much support and my channel is indeed growing. Also, the fact that I'm behind your screens, it is highly probable that we will never meet or perhaps even interact. Nonetheless, I would like to wish you a prosperous and happy new year. Whatever your dreams and goals are, I wish that you may achieve all that you desire in order to have success. I hope and I pray that you may be positive this year and that you may seek to live a meaningful life, one that is without regrets and don't be too crazy. Now, in terms of for me and my channel going forward, I will be giving you guys new content, better content. Yes, it only gets better. As you know, my channel is all about language, travel, and culture, and I will be giving you more languages. I won't say too much, so if you'd like to see what that is about, you have to watch my videos. Secondly, I will be traveling to some more countries. 2 countries on my list are Portugal and Italy. I've always wanted to go to these 2 countries, but circumstances have caused me not to. But this year it will be happening. So watch my channel and you will see. And thirdly, culture. I will try my best to see how I could interact with other cultures. Well, you will see. So that is all that is in store for you guys this year. And remember, if you would like to give me video suggestions or simply reach out, leave a comment, contact me on Instagram. For the time being, my channel is small, so I can't afford to respond to all of you. And with that said, I won't keep you much longer. I hope you had a wonderful 2021. And if you didn't, I hope that this year, not just this year, but today and forward will be a wonderful year for you. Thank you guys so much again for your support. And Happy New Year. Ciao, ciao. Often people stop when I say ciao, ciao, or maybe even before. So for those persons who you stayed to this point, thank you so much. It's because of you that I can fulfill my dream of being a full-time YouTuber or just a YouTuber in general. My dream is to travel, do acting. Even though I might not be the best at it. But through YouTube, I am living my dream and my best life. And for all of you who have been on this journey with me, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Besitos.
Another year has gone by.